Hello everyone, so I'm unboxing the Honor X5C. So as you can see, this is the Honor X5C. High specs but affordable price. So mura lang po ito. May ganito ka ng mataas na specs na mobile. So as you can see, maganda yung front niya, ang LCD. Then ito yung mga accessories. So napakamura lang nito. So nasa mga 5,000 pesos or 35 dinar in Bahrain. So complete accessories, charger and wire. So let's initialize on. Let's on first. Here is the logo, Honor. So ang ganda ng ano niya, yung ganda ng
Android.
Yung welcome Magic OS. So ito 'yun, ang ganda.
Yung pinakamalakas na credit card.
So in this mobile phone, high specs na siya. So 128 GB storage and octa-core. So octa-core, the processor is octa-core. Then 4 GB to 60 GB RAM. Then may micro SD slot po ito. Up to 1 terabyte na micro SD slot. So set up natin yung language. So set up na natin. Then continue. So, highest spec na to. Ang ganda ng specification nito. Octa-core. Then 128 GB. 50 megapixel ang camera. 4 GB RAM. Then 5,200, I think 5,200 milliamp the battery capacity. So, tingnan natin sa specs. And then, just finish this initialization. And set up.
No time. Later.
Finish.
Enable and continue. Finish.
So let us check the specs.
Okay.
So open settings. So open natin ng settings and then go to about the phone. So Magic OS 9. And then Honor X5C Plus, then 4 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and 5,200 milliamp battery. So ito yung octa-core chipset, processor is octa-core. So ang ganda na ng specs nito. Affordable lang. Thank you.